Hey, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to chat with you really quick about attraction marketing and why I teach it and why I believe in it and why I think it would be great for you. And I think this will help you with your understanding of why you need to name your business. Okay. So I believe that when we bring people into our space out of curiosity, we're attracting them to us like a magnet versus repelling them. So some of you represent makeup companies who've done a really good job of branding themselves. Maybe they're pink, maybe they're green, whatever it is, but that's what they're known for. And sometimes that can turn people off if you are trying to sell skincare and the company that you're representing, most people think of it as makeup, right? So you want to be able to get your foot in the door with people, right? So you need to brand yourself and bring people into your space. So that's why I ask you to name your business. Okay. So I'm going to also give you a workbook. Then you're going to have all of this in my new course, the reboot of the Blessing Method course. So this is one that I've taught before. And I wanted just to show you what I'm referring to when I'm talking to you about your business. Okay. So women are highly research driven. Okay. If your online presence, you don't have any social proof, testimonials, social content, if it's not strong, you are going to lose credibility, and you don't want to lose credibility, but people are going to be looking. So if you're like, well, I don't want a business page, you need to have a business page. You're not going to get a whole lot of people liking it. Doesn't mean they don't look, right? People can look and not like. So you really need to have it and branded to your new business name, not showing the products that you represent, because that is what repels people. You need to get them into your space, have them fill out a survey so you know what they want, so that you can serve them. Then they go into your VIP group where they see all the brand and everything. It won't matter then. You know why? Because you took the time to get to know what they're looking for in the survey. Now they trust you. Okay. So let's just talk a little bit about attraction marketing. Okay. So step one of my 5-step system for building a business in a non-pushy manner is to attract your ideal client to you on a daily basis. Okay. The Blessing Method is focused on serving. So here is what it is. So attraction marketing, it builds relationships through value and trust. Okay. The other way would be like I am a Avon rep approach, starts with a sales pitch. Attraction marketing attracts real clients via organic reach. The other way relies on hard selling to friends. Attraction marketing uses authenticity, storytelling, and testimonials. The I'm an Avon rep often feels pushy or inauthentic. The attraction marketing way converts over time via engagement and sharing. The I am the rep kind depends on cold outreach and persuasion. How many times have you been told by your upline to say that I am in a challenge? I need to sell 21 water bottles so I can win a gold ring. That is not attraction marketing. That's asking for pity sales, and it comes across as salesy and pushy. And I do not teach that. I teach you how to build a sustainable legacy business by bringing people into your space. So for attraction marketing, you're going to need to remove all the pictures, tags, and links to the company or the products that you represent. Okay. Posting pictures, tagged in pictures, and links to company or products you represent comes across as salesy, and people will avoid your content. Okay. All right, so that's step one. So you have to realize that you need to go make some edits, and it's going to be good. And if you don't like it, then go put everything back. But I promise you, this is a really good way to build a big business that feels good to you, where you can serve others. I'm sure you're tired of being ghosted. You're tired of bothering people. This way, you never have to worry about that. Remember, your Facebook is a reflection of your business, and you are a reflection of your business. So I want you to think about, what do I do? Who do I serve? How do I serve them? So what do? Do you customize anti-aging skincare? Do you customize travel itineraries for people with food allergies? Who do you serve? Do you serve women over 40? Do you serve families? How do I serve them? Is it locally or virtually or both? Am I practicing attraction market 100%? Yes or no? Attraction marketing, it's either you're in or you're out. You can't just do attraction marketing today and then tomorrow you decide you're not going to do attraction marketing anymore. That's not how it works. Okay, so it's either you're in or you're out. Okay. All right. Check all of your links. Do you have a link tree or a business card that gives more information than you realized? When I do audits of social media accounts and people tell me that they are practicing attraction marketing, it's surprising how many links are there that they forgot about. Do you appear to be a professional business owner, a CEO, or have a side hobby that I do occasionally? If you want people to come and trust you and spend thousands of dollars with you, it can't look like a hobby that you do occasionally. You need to show up as a CEO. Even if you work 1 hour a week, show up professionally, okay? Do I post political or controversial content? Yes or no? I believe there's no room for that in business, okay? Now, do I say things about God? Yes, but I stay away from political and controversial content. You may want to have two separate pages, personal pages. One that you're going to be practicing attraction marketing on and bringing people into your space without any political content. And then if you need to have another one where you want to voice that opinion, or if you have pictures of grandkids or something that you know, the world, you don't want the world to see, then just create another Facebook profile. It's not a big deal. Now, are you sharing other people's content more than a few times a month? Guess what? If you are hitting that share button and it's not your own content, Facebook moves you down of the list, and they're not going to be showing your information to that many people. It is a game that you have to play on Facebook, and I'm showing you how to win it. Let's take a field trip. I want you to go over and look and see what you found on your account, okay? Now, here's some recommended things for you to do. Clean up your pictures, delete or change the privacy. And I'm giving you the steps. How do you delete a photo? Okay. How can you adjust the privacy if you don't want them to all be deleted? Maybe you just don't have them public and you only have a certain group of friends that you are showing them to. Okay. So how many pictures do you think you're going to need to delete? I want you to guess and then come back and tell me how many you really deleted. Okay. Remove the salesy links. All right. Go to your Facebook profile from your homepage, click the name or your profile photo. And I want you to go to your personal timeline. I want you to edit profile. Make sure that you've taken off any shopping links. Your website link should be going to your survey. Okay. If you don't have your survey yet, that's okay. Just remove these links and then we'll pop in that survey at the end. Okay. So here you go. So make sure that yours is set to public. Okay. And I'm going to teach you in the upcoming blessing method course. There's been a whole lot of updates to Facebook. I had to read you my day one video workbook because there's been some super cool updates. So I'm going to teach you all that. I just want to give you some background of things that you might want to do right now and some things that I'm going to teach you. Okay. So I hope that this is helpful and helps you to understand, you know, what you can do in your business. Okay. You can do so many great things. And it's just having someone like me, I'm not saying I'm all that in a bag of chips, well, maybe, by your side who can hold your hand and guide you. And my friends, don't walk around saying, I'm not techie, I'm not techie, I'm not techie, because you're retelling your brain that all the time. That's like walking up and going, I'm fat, I'm fat, I'm fat, I'm fat. Well, I am fat, but I'm not telling myself these negative things. Okay, maybe I'm a little chunky or fluffier, or, you know, maybe I fill out my dress a little more, but watch it. Watch those words that you are telling yourself. Okay. We're going to start on Monday with my blessing method course, the reboot, and it's going to go into detail with more information and step by step. It's twice a week for 5 weeks. Okay. I'm going to be there holding your hand. Plus, you have a Facebook community where you're going to be able to get access to me 5 days a week for help. Let this be the year that you finally implement the 5-step blessing method. Attract people into your space. It's very simple. And if you are non-techie, I'm going to be there to help you. I have a lot of patience, and this is what I do. I help people. I wish there was someone like me when I was trying to figure all this out. You know how long it took me? Now you won't have to get so upset or feel down or defeated because you have someone by your side who's going to help you. So we're going to attract people into your space. No chasing people. You're going to have leads coming to you every single day. You're going to get a survey. You're going to weed out those who are not interested because they're going to fill out your survey and they're going to get on your appointment calendar. Isn't that great? Then you're going to learn how to present effectively from that survey so you can sell, which is proven, 3 to 5 times as much as you had been. And then if you're in a recruiting situation, you're going to recruit people. If not, you're still going to get 5 referrals every single time. 5 good referrals who are going to fill out a survey and they're going to put themselves on your calendar. You're not chasing people, texting people. So-and-so said you would like this. So-and-so referred you. None of that. Okay. Step 5, we're going to automate so that you can retain these people. And I'm going to teach you a very simple way that you can do it yourself or show you a machine that will do it all for you. Okay. So we're going to start on Monday. It's blessingmethod.com/join if you would like to join us. And that was a sneak peek of some of the things that I'm going to show you. You will have workbooks. You'll have lifetime access to the videos, to the recordings. And every time I teach it, you get it again. So if you want to join us, it's blessingmethod.com/join. Choose pay in full and then the Klarna option to make tiny payments. If you need any help or need a different payment arrangement, please reach out to me. All right. Bye, guys.